How to save money when you're broke. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Save, save, save. Parang imposible to kung iniisip mo na broke ka or laging ka po sa pera. How to save money when you're broke? The solution is to use your time wisely. Yes, lagi nating naririnig na time is gold. Ibig sabihin, very valuable ang time. Ang maganda dito, lahat tayo equal ang time. Lahat tayo binigyan ng 24 hours every day. Ask yourself, what is the most valuable use of my time? Kung 8 hours ka na sa trabaho, do the best you can. Sigurado mapopromote ka, at pag na-promote ka, syempre mag-i-improve ang personal finances mo dahil mas mataas na sweldo mo. Sa spare time mo, ano ang ginagawa mo? Kasi may mga lubog sa utang tapos pag spare time, umiinom, nagvi-videoke. Kung broke ka, dapat pati sa spare time mo, productive ka. Do part-time job or part-time business. Kasi kaya mo nga nasabing broke ka dahil negative ang cash balance mo. So, paano sosolusyonan ang negative? Dapat maraming positive. Meaning, dapat find ways to increase your income. Kung ang salary mo ay 15,000 a month at ang gastos mo sa bahay ay 17,000 a month, so negative 2,000 ang cash balance mo. Instead na mangutang ka, find ways to earn additional 5,000. Again, use your time wisely. Sacrifice your weekend. Maraming umasenso sa buhay dahil pag Sabado walang pasok, they do part-time job or part-time business instead na manood lang ng TV sa bahay. Sabi nga ni Brian Tracy, time management is life management. Time management is self-discipline in action. So if you want to save money this year, use your time wisely. Financial independence is not a dream, it's a decision. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video, and if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.